bald eagle nest.
I have another set too if anybody wants to.
There's a ton of them.
Looks like a boat.
I admit I got distracted by the possum.
His wings. He's puffing his wings so big.
I have a good video of that.
There's a female. Let's look at the male.
It's like they're mating. Oh, she's like, no, thank you.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a snapping turtle.
Snake.
Did you see it?
Yeah. There's one still there.
Oh, you're right. They're both still there, but one's gone.
Ah! It's windy.
Get the warbler.
Oh shoot, my camera.